Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get free Discord bot hosting. Yes, absolutely free, and it's super easy to set up. First things first, you'll need to join the Discord server. Once you're in, head over to the fact channel. There, you'll find all the steps listed clearly in detail. After that, you'll need to invite 5 people to the Discord server. Once you've done that, go to the ticket channel and make a new buy ticket. In the message, type your email address provided on the website. Next, head over to the billing website and create an account using the same email you provided in the ticket. After an admin checks and approves your ticket, you'll receive access to your server. Check your email. You'll find a message with a button that says, "Set up your account." Click it, and you'll be redirected to the panel website. Set your panel password, log in, and just like that, you now have access to your free server. And that's it. You now have your own free Discord bot hosting up and running. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.